What is up, F It Outdoors? So I'm taking a little staycation from work for the next couple days, and I'm gonna try to do some serious fishing. But I'm out here with my brother Brandon O. Go check out his channel at Ozborn Free TV. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. He's taking me out to some farm ponds. We're gonna do a little pond hopping today. Got me out here in East BFE, trying to get on some of them slaunches. How many ponds did you say were on this spot? Four? We got 4 ponds on this spot, and they're legitimate farm ponds, as you can see those cows standing. They'll probably be in it here in just a little bit. But I don't know, we're gonna grab a handful of rods and a bag full of baits and go back here and see if we can't do some damage. So do me a favor, go down and hit that subscription button, hit that bell notification, turn them ding dongs on, as some of them say. Yeah, turn them ding dongs on. That way you get notified when I upload a video. Hey, and leave me some comments at the end of it, because I like interacting with you guys. I like, even if they're bad, which I usually don't get too many bad comments, but anyway, stick with us. Here we go. Goddamn, something nice just took off right there, though.
Hey, there's a,
Is there a bull in here that's gonna eat our ass? I was trying to creep up here to see if I see any beds.
no, I was gonna say there's a rock pile. You got T-post in the ground over there?
Mm-hmm.
T-post right there. About 50 more feet. Straight out with a rock pile.
No way.
First cast, boy. First cast. Surfing in the USA. Look at that. First cast. Camera down. Right at the top, look at that.
Right on top of the mouth.
Look where he hooked. Perfect.
Oh, I just missed one. Ah, I missed one. They're definitely hitting the top water frog. Bees caught 2. Missed a couple. I just missed one. You got a hog? Like, need the scale?
Yeah, 4 or 5 pounds.
Hell yeah. Shit. Think so? I bet he's right there. Don't matter to me. It's your video.
You didn't hit it hard either.
I heard it.
It's just a, I mean, that freaking stunk. When we got in that moss, you know what I mean? That grass, I'm trying to pull him out of there. And I'm
hell
like,
yeah, dude. That's a stud, dude. That's 7.5 pounds. Damn, that was a battle right there. See that, guys? I'm on the board finally. This dude is kicking my ass with them fucking frogs. Oh, that's a good one. Chatter. Chatter. I scared the shit out of something right there. Dude, that little bitty fucker choked that frog.
Try to eat it though.
Yeah. Little bitty guy. Is this thing recording? Okay. Uh-oh. These little fuckers are aggressive as hell down here, dude. That's probably the smallest fish I've caught on a topwater frog in my life. Look at it.
That's an aquarium fish.
I know it. Wow. And that's what's crazy about the topwater bite is you never know the size based on the hit.
Right. Yeah, because that big one, he didn't hit it like a 7-pounder did. You know,
right. Got a lot of cabbage on it. Where the hell did you go? Fuck, I can't tell. No. 6 pounds of cabbage on it. Dude, this fish's mouth ain't even big enough to eat this frog. Wow. That fish wasn't 6 inches, dude. I know it. There we go. Look at these little guys, dude. We probably should start throwing these little fuckers on the bank. Alright, so we hit those 2 little lakes. Brother B spanked my ass on lake number 1. I think it was like 10 to 3, and he caught a freaking, what was that? 16, 14, or 6, 14.
2 ounces shy of 7.
2 ounces. We're just going to call it a 7-pounder. He caught a 7-pounder out of that first one. Then we went back here to this little one. It was the land of dinks. I caught like 6 of them that weren't even 12 inches. But I played some catch up. We're going to load everything up. We're going to shag ass back to my house and hit that little pond by my house that's got them mondos in it and see if we can't get on something there before we got to do other things. We're starting to run out of time. We got other things on the agenda for today, so stick with us. Here we go. Oh, I just missed one on the jig. Black and blue. It's all right. Oh. I forgot to tell him to stay down. Got his ass that time. It's the jig. Black and blue, green pumpkin. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yep. Oh, I forgot to take a picture. That was my best fish. That was my best fish of the day. Missed one. Got it. It's all right. 2-pounder. He fucking choked it, dude. Look. I know it. Oh, yeah. Come off right there, dude. Yeah, he hit the weeds and went that way. I don't know. I had to reel like 6 times to get caught up with him. He was going sideways. All right, fellas. So, just got wrapped up here at Lake 3. I got shit all over my lens. There we go. Just wrapped things up here at pond number 3. It's right around noon o'clock. We've been at it since 7 a.m. 6:30, 7 a.m. I don't know, I bet we caught close to 30 fish combined today. Got Brandon his PB today. You guys make sure you go check out his channel. I'll leave a description down below at Ozborn Free TV. You can watch that whole entire catch / weigh-in / release. Everything will be there. But go watch his video to see what happened with that fish and how much it weighed. And yeah, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn them ding dongs on, hit them dang-a-langers going. And I guess the story today was topwater bite, man. We started off at that first lake and Brandon threw a frog and caught 10 of them real quick on that frog. I caught a handful of them, and then we went to the other lake. I caught 6 or 7 of them there on the frog, and we come here, and this pond didn't have hardly. Look at something just huge just hit right there, dude. See them circles? Sons of bitches. Fuckers know we're leaving. That's what it is. But yeah, I caught the fish out of here on a Crank's custom jig, football head jig, black blue with a rage crawl trailer. And then all the fish catches in the other videos, I think he was using a live target frog. I was using a pond slayer's frog and a boohya hollow body frog. So that's gonna wrap this video up. Like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed it'll be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.